What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X back today with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to get iPhones with a CPN. Once your credit score posts, this is one of the first things you can pretty much do. It's a low barrier to entry. Expensive. It's only like $50 to $80 per iPhone that you buy. And if you're using a credit card, you can just swipe for that anyways, so it don't even matter. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure that your public records is good. So whenever you build your CPN, make sure that you put your information across multiple databases so that whenever your trade line posts, it will post to all 3 bureaus. If you don't have no information in there, it's just not going to post. After your public records is good, then you want to go add a trade line. You can use Zombie Debt that has 7 years. That will put you around the 700 range. You can add rental history. Do not use Rental Karma. That shit don't work. But you can use Boom Pay and you can use Payment Report. Those two work. After your trade line post, you are going to want to go to Verizon or AT&T. Verizon is the sweetest. T-Mobile is a little bit more hard and they charge more. You want to go online, make sure that you have your ID, your scannable ID. You can get them from ScanLab. Then you want to go apply for them phones. Now, if you really want to level this shit up, you can apply for a business loan. And once you use a business loan, they'll give you like 20 to 30 phones instead of getting just 4 or 5. The iPhone method is not hard. You just have to make sure that everything is structured correctly. After you do that, then you're pretty much good.